guys, it's Miss Ashley from the Perryville Branch Library. Today we're going to do a science experiment. This one's called Fizzy Lemons. All you need for this one are lemons, baking soda, a pan or a bowl, something to catch the mess in, and then spoons or craft stick, something you're going to push the baking soda into the lemon with. So something that's easy like that. Some other options that you can have are food coloring or dish soap. So first, we're gonna go ahead. So I already cut my lemons up and I'm gonna put this one off to the side. I do have some baking soda. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my mini spoon here and kind of push and make some cuts in the lemon. So you're gonna go ahead and do that. This is gonna help the reaction go a little bit more quickly. And then I am going to use some blue and yellow food coloring. I'm just gonna put some in here. It's just gonna be a colorful fizz, a colorful reaction. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add my baking soda. You want a real generous amount on here. And then you can use the spoon to kind of push it in there again. And I can already hear the reaction and you can see it happening. So that's gonna fizz. And if you want a little bit more, you want your reaction to go, you can use the second half of your lemon to go ahead and squeeze some more juice on there. See how that's kind of reacting a little bit more? So the science of this is obviously a chemical reaction. The citric acid from the lemon juice is reacting to the base of the baking soda and it's creating gas called carbon dioxide. So there you go. This is something quick that you can do at home with your family with things that you probably have around the house. It's definitely a cheaper science experiment and it's a lot of fun. You can keep adding baking soda and the lemon juice. And if you do add dish soap, I did not choose to add the dish soap, but you can, and that creates more of a fluffy reaction. So there you go. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.